Clint with cloned morphs. I figured I'd just show you guys some of my snakes. I shot a little video clip the other day and figured I'd get each one out and show you them. This is a butter male I got from Brad Boa. He's pretty nice looking. He's just about ready to shed. This one would be my spider male. I picked him up from Joe Russo a while back and just getting him fattened up a little bit. Rat breeding just took off real big. Let's see what else I got here. A nice little spider female I picked up from Brad Boa. Here I have a high white spider female, possible het ghost from Brad. Look at her belly, it's really nice. Really nice pastel female I got from Brad too. As long as she don't bite me. She's really bright yellow. And I think that'll do it for now.